This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and then immediately initialize a project repository so progress is tangible. Install the scanner SDK and the language runtime. Create a minimal project skeleton in your IDE. Once done, plug the scanner into USB or ensure network reachability, then retrieve API keys and the device protocol sheet. Make sure to note model-specific quirks. They matter for command sets. Finally, write a basic connection script that opens and verifies a link to the device. You now build the scanner logic and parsing pipeline so data becomes reliable. First, implement robust connection handling with retry logic, sensible timeouts, and checksum verification to detect corruption. Then parse incoming frames by identifying delimiters, extracting fields, and converting types into structured objects. Once parsing works, add configuration options for baud rate or IP, buffer sizes, and logging levels so behavior adapts to environments. Make sure to unit test. You finish by hardening and validating the scanner code for production use. Implement graceful shutdown, retries with exponential backoff, and resource cleanup for handles and threads. Run end-to-end validation using simulated inputs and measure throughput and error rates while observing logs. Once stable, package the module and document configuration steps and known device quirks. If something goes wrong, check framing alignment and timing mismatches first. Those cause most silent failures, and fixing them often restores correct parsing and steady connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.